Okay, let's do our sounds and blends and our sight words for the stories Big Mess and Chet. All right, let's start out with our sight words. Some of these you'll already know. This word is could. Could. Let's say it together 3 times. Could, could, could. Some of these are also going to be repeats. We always need to repeat things so we can learn them. This word is then. Let's say it together 3 times. Then, then, then. This one is now. Let's say it together 3 times. Now, now, now. This word is this. Let's say it together 3 times. This, this, this. And of course, if you have this, you also have to have that. Let's say it 3 times. That, that, that. You probably already know this one. Have. Let's say it together. Have, have, have. I believe you already know this one as well. This one is 6. Let's say it 3 times. 6, 6, 6. Probably already know this one as well. They, say it 3 times. They, they. And another pronoun, them. Let's say it 3 times. Them, them, them. All right, quick review. Ready, begin. Could, then, now, this, that, have, 6, they, them. You might want to pause and say those again on your own. Okay, so we're going to work on some digraphs. Digraphs are 2 letters that you put together and they make a new sound. This is the th sound. Th. TH together says th. Oh, and let's see, let's begin. Ready? Sound. Th. Sound. Eh. Sound. N. Let's say it together. N. Word. Then. Sorry, that was blend. Let's see. The sound. Th. Sound. I. Sound. S. Let's blend. Is. Word. This. Sound. Th. Sound. Ah. Sound. T. Let's blend. At. Word. That. All right. Another one. Another digraph. Put W and H together. It's w. W. So sound. W. Sound. I. Sound. Z. Let's blend. W. Is. Word. Whiz. Another one. Sound. W. Sound. I. Sound. F. Let's blend. W. If. Word. With. And another one. CH actually makes 3 different sounds. Ch, k, and sh. And we're doing the ch sound right now. One that's most common. Sound. Ch. Sound. Sound. K. Let's blend. Ch. K. Word. Chuck. Why is that an uppercase C? Yes, it's somebody's name. Next word. Sound. Ch. Sound. Ah. Sound. P. Let's blend. Ch. Ah. Word. Chop. Sound. Chip. I'm sorry. Sound. Ch. Sound. I. Sound. P. Sound, s. Let's blend. Ch, I, p, s. Word, chips. Yeah, sorry, I gave that one away. Sound, ch. Sound, eh. Sound, t. Let's blend. Ch, et. Word, Chet. Right, somebody's name. So we have Chet and Chuck. Let's review. Ready, begin. Then, this, that, whiz, with, chuck, chop, chips, Chet. I want to pause and review those on your own real quick. Okay, so we're going to do some of these are review sounds, but these words are in the story, and I wanted you to just get the chance to practice them before we read them. So CK says k, and these words have k. Sound, sound, ooh. Sound, ah. Sound, k. Let's blend. Ooh, ah, k. Word, flock. You know this one. Sound, qu. Sound, ah. Sound, k. Sound, s. Let's blend. Qu, ah, k, s. Word, quacks. Bet you already knew that one before. We have had that word before. Sound, p. Sound, I. Sound, k. Let's blend. P, I, k. Word, pick. Okay, we're also going to do some words with the blend. St. Sound, p. Sound, ah. Sounds, st. Let's blend. P, asked. Word, past. I think you've had that one in the past already. Sounds, st. Sound, ah. Sound, k. Let's blend. St, ack. Word, stack. Sounds, st. Sound, I. Sound, ooh. Let's blend. St, ill. Word, still. Sneak these ones in here. This blend is sn. Sounds, sn. Sound, Sound, g. Let's blend. Snug. Word, snug. Sounds, sn. Sound, I. Sound, f. Sound, s. Let's blend. Sniff. S. Word, sniffs. Last one. Sn. Sound, ah. Sound, k. Let's blend. Snack. Word, snack. Okay, let's review. Ready, begin. Flock, quacks, pick, past, stack, still, snug, sniffs, snack. You'll probably want to take the time to review these words on your own. And I hope you can join me for the sound spelling game, where we'll be doing some other words that are also in the stories Big Mess and Chet. Have fun!